This food might seem a bit unusual for many folks, but in several countries, it's a highly cherished delicacy. First, they cut the entire cow tongue in half and then shape it in a very peculiar way, don't you think? The tongue is cooked along with various spices like carrots and garlic. Meanwhile, they also grill bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, and eggplants. Frying them is an option too. After cooking for over half an hour, the tongue is dunked in cold water to make the meat tender. The grilled peppers and tomatoes are peeled, chopped, and seasoned with various condiments, creating a unique flavor. Once the cow tongue is well washed, they remove the outer layer, leaving only the tender meat, which is more hygienic and improves the texture. The grilled veggies turn out juicy, but I wonder if they taste better than the fried ones. Anyone tried it this way? Share your most sincere thoughts in the comments. After cleaning, the cow tongue is sliced into pieces and mixed with seasoned cream. This method really brings an exotic flavor. It's the first time I've seen cream used to season cow tongue. Next, they skewer the cow tongue on iron skewers and grill it again. Meanwhile, they also prepare some mushrooms, seasoning and grilling them. This is the final result after grilling. The aroma is irresistible, and visually it looks great, slightly golden, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, with a unique texture that must be delicious. Cow tongue not only has a good texture but is also nutritious and tasty. A meal like this is truly excellent, broadening horizons and enriching the palate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!